na ano.
Hi guys, we're going to Coachella.
Ang sasalubong.
Oh my God, buntok
eh, sabi nga, sana nga dito nga sa Laguna eh. May nanay, gusto may nanay.
Hey guys, say hi to my vlog. Guys. Hi guys, so now we're off to Tagaytay. Hazard ka muna. As in. Zero visibility. Ayan na guys. Wala na silang makita guys. Yeah. Because of the fog.
Oo, sobrang pag. Naka-full nga yung ilaw nila.
I-full mo na nga yung ilaw mo.
Hindi, kung walang amok to kaya eh. Oo.
Ayan, magpapagabi sa Tagaytay. Yan ang lesson of the day.
Ako, pahon.
Ayan, pahon siya. Oo, diretso. Medyo pakaliwa. Medyo lang pakaliwa. Sige, medyo pakaliwa. Yan. Kaliwa, ama. Kaliwa. Sharp curve yan pakaliwa. Tapos sharp curve pa left ulit. Yan.
Tama ba yung mapa natin?
Tama.
Dito, kanan kaliwa.
Ay, diretso. Dito. Diretso lang. Isipin mo kung pinaanan dito. Okay, sige, diretso.
Tao ko sa likod?
Medyo liliko pa left. Wala. Medyo pa. Oy, kayo sa taang G-Maps. Waze, instant Waze.
Kita ko na.
Okay na, wala na. Yay! We survived! Ayan guys,
General Luna Street.
Dito dyan nag-gira dati. Creepy. Dare mo ako, Jai. Papasok ako. Dare niyo ako, papasok ako. Ay! Ang lamig!
Kinalabutan ako, meron. Ang lamig. Malamig.
Head northwest toward General Luna Street.
Dito sila nagkakapo. Dito sila nagbabantay 24/7.
Putangina mo.
Head northwest toward General Luna Street.
Puro ipa-vlog ko yan kasi.
I-vlog nyo yun. Ang lamig ko.
Ang lamig.
Marami naman tayo eh. Pero
Ang creepy, guys.
kagabi na meron
Okay
dito.
na, pero... Look, ayan yung view nila dati.
Marami naman po.
Head northwest toward General Luna Street.
Tapos ayun, meron pa daw bala doon.
Head northwest toward General Luna Street.
Canyon.
Hello. Hello. Hey, kuya. Hello. Ito naman ako na.
Ayan, pinipicture ka ni ate. Ng Fort Santiago, and ito na talaga yung pinaka parang main entrance nila sa loob. So meron ditong parang welcome na ano to tell the brief history of the place. And here meron ditong parang I don't know if it's lake but stagnant water na talaga siya, at di ko naman lang andun yung mga kasama ko. Whoa, look at that. Tara, Jay. So we're now here inside of Fort Santiago. And andito talaga yung mga balik. Dito talaga yung parang dito nakatira yung mga emperors. Emperor? Sino ang walang alam sa history, guys? Ay, ayun, meron dito mga flowers. I don't know kung para to sa Rizal Bay or what. Let's see. Ayan, guys. yeah, para talaga siya kay Dr. Jose Rizal. 128 death. Oo nga pala, kasi guys, December 30th or 31st ngayon is the tama ba? It's Rizal Day. Rizal Day, di ba? Ngayon, guys. 30th or 31st of December, Rizal Day. Dr. Jose Rizal. So, ayan. And, by the way, Dr. Jose Rizal is the national hero of the Philippines. Yes. May nakikita ako dito. It says the Rah Sulaiman Theater. Tingnan natin sa loob. Dito nagtatanghal dati ang mga yak. December 30 nga. Kahapon. Kahapon, Trixie. Diyan daw nag-spend ng night before. Ayun o, nakalagay. Ayun o, this constructed as military barracks and as Parto Escuela for petty officers. Site of Chapel where Dr. Jose Rizal spent his final evening prior to his execution December 30. Kahapon, dito nag-stay si Rizal bago siya barilin. Oo, dito siya. Dito mo nasulat. Nagulat ako, guys. I'm sorry. Ganyan din yata si Rizal.
Oo, kung ano yung structure niya.
Ganyan din siya kaliit. This is to commemorate the centennial of Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay. Introduced by Rizal Shepherds. Embedded. Walk of Martyrdom and Centennial Freedom Trial. Monroe's is brave path to martyrdom.
Commemorate the centennial of Dr. Jose Rizal Martyrdom. The National Centennial.
Gulat ako.
Hindi. Each motherfucker always holds all things in their hands.
Uy! May cellphone! May cellphone eh. Pero may ginto nito.
Wala yan. Akin yan. Yung sa bracelet ko yan.
May cellphone. Nagsito na! Ito na.
Papasok po. There's something. Oh my God. Ay, picture ba? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ano nasa taas? Tignan.
Tumalsik yung cellphone mo. Nasa taas.
May tao.
Sige, yung muna. Para ma-experience natin. Sige, sakit Jero.
Siyempre, nag-overthink na ako yung mga lesson na.
So missing lang pala siya. Museum lang to, guys. Pero ang ganda. Fairness. Wag maligalig.
Baka magalit.
Alas 5 na guys. Ayan o. You are entering hollow ground. My God guys. I'm feeling so creepy. Ayoko na dito. Oh my God, sige na. Shit, ayoko na.
What?
Ayoko na.
Ha?
Sige, marami naman kami. Go na. Oh my God. Oh my God. Praying for all the souls.
Lakas ng signal, oh. Oo, sige, papunta na kami. Papunta na ito. Diyan na kayo. Oo, doon na ito. Grabe guys. Ibang-iba yung feel sa loob. Ang bigat sa feeling pero yeah, praying for all the souls na namatay during the World War. Dito kami galing. Bartolina. Kasi sinaga ng araw.
Bartolina yan.
Ha? Barangay? Guardhouse.
Grabe guys, such an experience. So, I think guys, how was your experience? How was your experience?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Sumakit ulo ko.
How was
10
your
out of 10 guys, super nakaka-revoke ng pagiging Filipino.
Jai, how was your experience?
1 out of 10.
Hoy! Anyway guys, we're all praying for the souls na nawala during the World War.
Very creepy
Respect
guys. Hindi
and
ko ba?
swerte tayo ngayon na hindi natin naranasan yung mga pinagdaanan nila dati, and seeing the ruins or the remnants of the past, grabe, masyadong nakaka-magpagdamdam. Yeah, lalim nga, lalim.
Nai-imagine ko talaga yung torture.
Yes, lalo na nung pumasok tayo sa dungeon. Anyway guys, that's it for our vlog, and bye! See you in the next one!
Grabe, parang ang creepy sa tunog.
guys. Parang mas maganda. Wow! Mas cute kasi. Ibibigay na lang yan mamaya. Eh, yan po. May nagbigay sa kanya kagabi ng ano, tapos, ayan, nakuha niya na. Ang kanyang first ever Starbucks tumbler worth 1,000, almost 2,000 pag tinota. Pero hindi niya pinaghirapan yung 9 stickers.
Then actually, na pala yung laman nun.
Wow! Unboxing. Wow! Kinuha niya yung turquoise? Turquoise? Ilapit mo sa cam, tapos i-ano mo, ganun mo. Yan. I-ano mo, So I'm currently here at Naiya kasi mag-aantay ako ng flight ko mamaya alas 3 ng madaling araw. Pabalik ng Bicol kasi nga wala na maghahatid sa akin mamaya madaling araw. So ngayon ako nagpahatid. It's 9 PM and mag-aantay ako mag-alas 3. So let's see kung ano magawa natin dito sa loob ng airport. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to you guys later. So, ayun lang. Bye! So, marami din naman nagka-campers dito. Siguro nag-aantay ng mga flight nila din. Yung iba, I think, is madaling araw din ang flight. Yung iba naman is, I don't know. Basta. So, let's just, explore around the airport. Meron mga outlet dito, guys. So, hindi tayo mag-boring. Anyways, I'm just gonna take my dinner. Nag-take out ako kanina sa Macdo. Ayun. I'm gonna order food here in the subway. Let's see kung ano order natin here. For the night. So this is the lonely life of a 25-year-old stunner in the Bicol. Anyway, I also have my cheeseburger from Macdo. Kaya okay na yun. Para balance tayo. Balance diet. malalim. So guys, it's 15 minutes before 12 a.m. and my flight is still by 8 p.m. and maghanap lang ako pwedeng bilihin dito ng coffee or what. Kasi ang tagal pa yung flight ko and yung gate daw is to be announced. Implementing ng PBA. So I'm just here strolling around sa Inya Terminal 3. Kahanap ako kung saan pwedeng kumain. Yeah! This is what Naiya Terminal 3 looks like when it's 12 a.m. Tignan natin kung hanggang dulo may pagkain. Sad life. Side tracker. Found guys. I found 7-Eleven. So let's check. Let's check. 7-Eleven. I really want coffee. So make this is cafe. Let's check one please pay first. Cups available at the water. And move order po tayo. So let's see kung ano pwedeng pagkain dito. Here's a very small cup. May pagkabobo ako. Hindi ako nagbasa, may ibang flavor pa pala. Brewed coffee yung nakuha ko. Anyway, ayan, humingi naman ako ng mga sugar and creamer. So, let's take a coffee muna and malapit ako sa charging station. So, yeah.
Used to tell myself that I don't need nobody else, just me. She just came to the party in them high tops and those jeans. Could've sworn that I was sober, but the way you looked at me, never been so lifted, got me thinking, fuck this party, I want memories. Ooh, we could be free. Too fast, even when it's slow. We just gotta live before we let it go. You been wanting that Chanel, picking up from rodeo, but baby, you already know when we're older, things won't always be the same. And I might not be the one, but can we have a little fun and maybe take it in before we change?
So guys, this is my first time riding on